What if I forgot my FSA ID? Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you forgot your FSA ID? If so, don't worry. You're not alone, and there are simple steps to recover it. The FSA ID is your username and password combination used to access your federal student aid account. This is essential for filling out the free application for federal student aid. Let's walk through the recovery process together. First, head over to the official student aid website or use the My Student Aid app. If you can't remember your username, try logging in with your verified email address or your verified mobile phone number. If that doesn't work, click on the Forgot My Username option. You will have 3 ways to recover your username. You can receive a secure code sent to your verified mobile phone number. Alternatively, you can get a secure code sent to your verified email address. Lastly, you can answer the challenge questions you set up when you created your FSA ID. Keep in mind that these codes are time-sensitive, usually valid for about 30 minutes. So, make sure you have access to your phone or email when you attempt to recover your username. Now, if you forgot your password, the process is similar. Click on the Forgot My Password link and follow the steps to reset it. You can reset your password via phone, email, or by answering your challenge questions. If you didn't verify your phone number or email when you created your FSA ID, or if none of these options work, you can recover your account by uploading a copy of your photo identification. This will serve as proof of your identity. It's important to remember that your school or college cannot reset your FSA ID or password for you. Only you can recover or reset it through the official federal student aid website. If you need additional help, you can contact the Federal Student Aid Information Center at 1-800 for federal aid. For teenagers preparing to fill out the FAFSA, it's a smart idea to create your FSA ID early. Make sure to verify your email and phone number to make recovery easier if you forget your login information. Keep your FSA ID details secure but accessible. If you do forget them, use the recovery options promptly. This will help you avoid delays in submitting your financial aid application.